So I got a new hair trolley from the market. Let's unbox it. I got this from the Mopi market, given the fact that I'm based in Douala, Cameroon. And let's unbox it and see what it looks like. And I got other stuff too, which is in the black wrapper that we're going to be checking. That's my receipt, and that's the top three. I don't know what I was looking for. Okay, at this point I noticed some broken parts in it, but I looked around the parts of the trolley and nothing was broken. And the information on the box on the carton says 2 trolleys come in this carton, so maybe it's the other trolley. Those are the drawers and these are the stands. Yes, and that's the tires and the cup, and here is the manual. And there are 2 manuals inside because 2 trolleys came there, but I got just one. So this is how to assemble it. I'm just going to follow the instruction here and put everything together. So let's start. At this point I was looking and examining the things to see which am I supposed to mount first. Though I took this one, but this is not what I supposed to take first. Like, I'm like, what is this? Okay, at this point I took this, which is like the principal part of the trolley, and the iron part on top is where the tires has to be fitted, and the other one is where we put it by the side. Guys, I'm sorry, I didn't know my phone wasn't recording, and this is it. I already went ahead and mounted everything, and the phone didn't record the part of me mounting it, but it wasn't really difficult following the manual. So at this point I discovered we could remove this and attach here, which is also in the manual, and I love that idea because, like, if you're working with a lot of stuff, you can just put it in the other cupboard and attach it by the side. So this is what we got. I love it. And back to the black raccoon, I got other stuffs. I got these bows that I love so much because, like, you can work with many things at the same time, especially if you're dyeing. That's hair oil, hair band, and I got this spray bottle. We have the normal one we used here, but I saw this one and it was extra, though it's like double the price, but I love it and it looks more aesthetically pleasing than others, so I got it. And I also got this hair clip, which I'm going to be reviewing to see if it works well, and that's acetone for nails. And by the way, I am in the process of opening a hair salon. Yes, so I got a bunch of combs. I got combs like for 14,000 francs, and they are good combs. So this is everything we got. Please like and subscribe.